Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have my unboxing for the mini mystery box of awesome. It's a completely random subscription and it's super cheap too, so you never know what kind of products you're gonna get, and I really like it. So here is the little newsletter that comes in there. This is the July bag. There's always just a sheet with like crossword puzzles and stuff like that. So the first item I'm pulling out, I found it. So this is a little hidden picture card game. That's pretty cool. It says explore 7 historic eras from ancient Egypt and medieval times to the Wild West and the future. Race to find the hidden treasures in this fast-paced game of visual perception. That's pretty fun. It's for ages 4 and up, so we will get some use out of that. Then we have, oh how cute, little pizza erasers. So there's 6 of them. All little slices like that. That's adorable. Jackson's gonna love that. Very cute. Then we have Road Trip Festival Air Freshener. So it's a little bug. This is I Heart You Too. That's cute. And the fragrance is vanilla. I think that might be it. Yep, so we got 3 items this month, and it does vary. Sometimes you get a couple more items. And then advertisement for Pet Treater. So that's what came this month. I will put all their information below in case you'd like to join. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.